Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, viewer, you can see in this video I am providing you most amazing and very trending collection of handmade crochet baby items ideas. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewer you all love this type of beautiful collection. So my lovely friends, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and very trending designs of handmade crochet baby items. So I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet kids items. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful designs for your loved one, for your children, for your babies. So thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So my lovely viewers, crochet baby items has several benefits including these are soft and gentle. Crochet fabric is soft and gentle on baby's sensitive skins. It's a breathable and lightweight. Crochet allows for airflow, keeping baby cool and comfortable. Personalized and unique handmade crochet items make thoughtful and personalized gifts. Cost-effective crocheting baby items can be more budget-friendly than buying ready-made dresses and other items. Develop skills crocheting for baby help improve your skills and creates a sense of accomplishment, emotional connection. Creating something for your baby strengthens your bond and create a keepsake. Practical and useful crocheted baby items like blankets, hats and booties are essential and useful. Customizable, choose your preferred yarn, color and pattern to match your style. Timeless, crocheted baby items can be passed down to future generations, becoming a family heirlooms. It's a therapeutic benefits. Crocheting has been shown to have therapeutic benefits, reducing stress and anxiety. Some popular crochet baby items include blankets, hats, booties, sweater, mittens, scarf, baby blanket with intricate designs or personalized messages. So I hope you all are agree and understand with all the benefits, all type of items. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, viewers, like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. Bye bye.